Hi guys, welcome to DHAATRI Solutions. Today I want to show the hotel management website. When we go to the other places or unknown places, we don't know that places because it is new to us, and those situations makes difficult to find hotels or rooms. So we develop one website. It helps to book rooms easily before we go to another place. Then we can see the flow of these website. This is the flow. In this website we have two modules, hotel and customer. Hotel login with default credentials like username and password, and hotel can add the room types like queen rooms, king rooms and so on. And then hotel can view the added room types, and hotel can add rooms for room types and view the rooms. Hotel can add the extra specialties like spa, swimming pools and so on, and view the added facilities. Customer register through this website by giving their data and login through this website by entering the register email and password. Customer can view the hotel added rooms, and if the customer want, then customer book the rooms, and through booking room only you can select if you want, if the customer wants facilities, then you can add the facilities added by the hotel, and the customer pay the amount for rooms. Then hotel can view the bookings and also payments. Customer also view the bookings and payments. After that, hotel click on check-in, then customer check in this hotel. After the time is over, then customer check out through this room. This is the flow of this website. Then we can see the website. This is the home page, hotel management home page. Click on hotel. Hotel login form will be open. Give the username as hotel and password also hotel, and click on login. This is the hotel home page. Hotel can add the room types. Click on these. Give the room title as queen room. Price per day 2000. Room type double bedroom. Room picture. Click on open, and description. And facilities. AC room. Click on add room button. Room added successfully. Then we can view the added rooms here. This is the room type, price, facilities and room type and so on. For these room type we can add rooms. Click on add room. Give the room number. I'm just giving 201, and bed type double bedroom. And click on add. Then we can view the rooms, added rooms here. Click on view room. This is the room. Room title, room number and bed type. Then hotel can add the extra facilities here. Facility title like swimming pool. Price per day 500. About. And click on add extra facilities button. Then we can view the added facilities here. This is the name, price and about. Then log out and register the customer. Click the register button. Customer registration form will be open. Give the name. Give the customer name, Jesse, email, phone number, give the phone number, password, proof. Give the proof. Click on open and click on register. Customer will be registered. Then log in with register email and password. Give the password and click on login. This is the customer home page. Customer can view the hotel added rooms here. Then select the from date and to date. Today and click on book room. Then you can choose this room because I will added only one room. So here we can view the only one room number. Click on this and book the room. Confirm the booking. Then if the customer want extra facilities, then click on add. You can choose the extra facilities and click on add. Otherwise you won't. Click on add and complete booking. This is the booking. Extra facilities, start date, end date, title, price and so on. And click on pay. Then you can enter the card details here. Card number, card holder name, enter CVV, expiry date, card type, credit card and click on pay. Rooms are booked successfully. Then the customer can view the bookings here and also customer can view the payments. These are the payments. And log out. Again log into the hotel. Give the username and password. Click on login. If you can given invalid details, message will be displayed like invalid details. Give the username as hotel and password also hotel. And click on login. Then the hotel can view the bookings here. These are the bookings booked by the customer. And hotel also can view the payments here. These are the payments. And click on check-in. Log out. Again log into the customer by giving email and password. Click on login. Then we can view the bookings. Here we can see the status is check-in. After the customer click on checkout, status will be changed to checkout. Checkout. Status is checkout. This is the hotel management website. Thank you.